This drill is form shooting hand placement kung saan tinuturuan kayo kung paano ang tamang paghawak ng bola. Right arm is your shooting arm and left arm is yung pang-support lang. Remember, kapag gagawin nyo tong hand placement, mag-focus lang kayo sa hand. Wala mo nang pag-bend ng knees, kundi focus lang sa hand placement. This drill is form shooting elbowing wrist kung saan yung elbow natin dapat naka 90 degrees or naka letter L siya. At the same time mga ka-ballers, focus natin dito yung elbowing wrist. Dapat yung elbow natin pointed na sa rim at the same time yung wrist natin dapat pag sumut tayo, naka-point dapat rin siya sa ring, no? This drill is form shooting focus on follow through. So mga ka-ballers, pag tumira tayo mga ka-ballers, dapat yung wrist natin nakatutok sa ring. At the same time, yung unang bababa na kamay is yung guide hand natin. At the same time, yung last is yung shooting arm naman natin. So pag tama ng ring, baba yung left hand and then yung last, yung shooting arm naman natin. And then yung wrist dapat pointed siya sa rim para hindi tumabingi yung tira. This drill is single arm form shooting sa left corner. Yung drill na to mga ka-ballers, makakatulong para ma-enhance yung single arm form shooting mo. Lalong-lalo na kasi kapag titira tayo, one arm lang naman yung ginagamit. Yung opposite hand is guide hand lang. So this will help you to improve your shooting. This drill is 3-spot form shooting. Sa left corner siya. So, una ka mga ka-ballers, tapos malapit ka sa ring. And after mo maka-makes ng 3, atras ka ng 3 steps and then form shooting ka naman. And then after naman nun, 3 steps ulit, tapos form shooting ka ulit mga ka-ballers. So, maganda to if you want to improve your shooting form. This drill is single arm board shot. So, yung drill na to mag-help sa inyo sa inyong backspin, no? Ang tatamaan nyo dapat yung corner ng board sa ilalim. And then after that, mag-move naman tayo sa taas ng corner ng board. So, kailangan may follow through and at the same time may backspin yung bola. This drill is mid-range of the pass, 1-2 footwork. Kung saan ina-enhance nito yung footwork ninyo at the same time yung shooting ninyo. Kung wala kayong passer, you just have to roll the ball and then make 1-2 step before catching the ball and then shoot the ball.